Hello my dear YouTube students and viewers, welcome to my channel Scorpio Class. In this video, we are going to discuss Class 10 Social Science Solved Model Question Paper 2. So yes students, I am bringing the series of solved model question papers of social science for you all, and this will be the first half of the second model question paper. Okay, so this video is going to be very important and helpful for you all. The whole series is going to be very important, so stay tuned till end and watch all the videos. If you want to solve model question paper 1 video link, it will be shared in the description box. You can go and find from there and also have a look of all the question answers of paper 1. So now let's get started. But before that, if you are watching my video for the first time, my dear viewers, so subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the upcoming videos. To watch the video till end, share the channel with your friends and also subscribe to it. And one more humble reminder for you all to subscribe Scorpio Class Hindi channel. In this channel, you're going to find all the Hindi lessons explanation along with the question answers, complete notes, and as well as grammar syllabus and notes of class 7, 8, 9, and 10. So to find the link again, visit the description box below and click into the link, share, subscribe the channel and share with your friends. You will also find the link in the I button above so that you can directly go from here. So this was all about the updates. Now let's move ahead and start with our model question paper 2. So first main here is 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Only one of them is correct. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet in your answer booklet. You have 8 questions of 1 mark each, which equals to 8 marks. So these headings are exactly as given in your question paper. Okay. So question number 1. Which battle the British as real holders of power over Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa, which battle made the British as real holders of power over Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa? Is it option A, Battle of Plassey, B, Battle of Buxar, C, First Carnatic War, D, Third Carnatic War? And the answer is B, Battle of Buxar. Next, question 2. The belief of Aryan supremacy gave rise to A. Fascism, B. Nazism, C. Socialism, or D. Communalism? And the answer is B. Nazism. Question 3. India adopted disarmament as a basic aspect of its foreign policy because A. India is worried that massive scale of arms could lead to Third World War. B. India is a peace-loving country. C. India cannot produce arms. Or D. India fears accidentally triggering nuclear destruction. And the answer is option B. India is a peace-loving country. Question 4. The state in which Silent Valley movement started is A. Karnataka, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Kerala. And the answer is D. Kerala. Question 5. Specialization creates A. Organized labor, B. Unorganized labor, C. Class system, D. Division of labor. The answer is D. Division of labor. Question 6. The cause of change in the course of rivers is A. Floods, B. Dams, C. Low groundwater level, D. Silting. And the right answer is option D. Silting. Question 7. The prime reason for rural backwardness is A. Illiteracy, B. Poverty, C. Slow growth rate of agriculture, D. Competition from industries. And the answer is option C. Slow growth rate of agriculture. Next, question 8. The indiscriminate exploitation of natural resources of a country is due to dash. A. Industrialization, B. Population explosion, C. Globalization, D. Consumerism. And the answer is option C. Globalization. So students, we have completed our first main. Now let's go to second main. Once more, a reminder, if you want to watch model question paper 1, you can find the link in the description box and also in the I button above and in the end screen. So let's continue. Second main, answer the following questions in a sentence each. Again, you have 8 questions of 1 mark each, which equals to 8 marks. So question number is continued. Question number 9. According to which land tax system of the British, the farmer was directly linked to East India Company? And the answer is the Raithwari system. Okay, the land tax system was the Raithwari system. Question 10. Which incident started the Second World War? Answer. Germany's occupation of Poland on September 1, 1939. Okay, so this started the Second World War. Next, question 11. Give one instance of the cordial relationship between India and Russia. Answer. Russia has extended its support to India's quest for permanent seat in the UN Security Council. Next, question 12. When and where was the first labor union established? Answer. The International Working Men's Association was the first labor union established in London in the year 1864. Question 13. Which industry is the basis of all other industries? Answer. Iron and steel industry. So iron and steel industry is the basis of all the other industries. Question 14. How is density of population different from size of population? Answer. Size of population is the total number of people living in a particular area, and that is called the size of population. Density of population. The number of people per square kilometer is called density of population. Okay, so that's the difference between size of population and density of population. Next, question 15. When the lending rate of interest by banks increases drastically, creating lower credit creation in the economy, what step does RBI take to create credit? And the answer is it varies the repo rate. So bank varies the repo rate. Next, question 16. Per capita income is used as indicator of development instead of national income. Why? So answer is because comparison of economic development between countries with different levels of population is incorrect. Higher the population, slower the increase in national income. Okay, so you can write these 2 points. Next, question 17 is coming under third main. Answer the following questions in 3 to 4 sentences each. Now again you have 8 questions of 2 marks each, which equals to 16 marks. So question continues, question number continues. It's question number 17 now. So what were the main aspects in the declaration of the British Queen? So the Queen of the Britain passed a declaration in 1858. It had the following aspects. The agreements entered by the company with the local kings were accepted. Non-pursuance of regional expansion. Providing a stable government for Indians. Equality before the law. Non-interference of the government in religious issues of Indians and practicing religious tolerance. Okay, so you can remember these points and you can write the answer easily. Next, question 18. How did the Labour Party in England try to find solutions for the political problems of India just before independence? Answer. The Labour Party government sent a cabinet committee to India for discussion on giving self-rule rights with INC and Muslim League. It recommended for a federal form of government. It suggested them to form an interim government. It suggested to form a constituent assembly to formulate constitution. Okay, so these are the points for this answer. Next, question 19. Again, here you have internal choice in this question. You have 2 questions. You can write either of one. So let's see one by one. What was India's contribution in elevation of economic inequality among third world countries? Answer. India followed non-aligned policy. India urged developed countries to provide assistance to developing countries without conditions. India helped to channelize monetary help to the third world countries. Okay, so this is one question. The second option here is, or how did independent India help solve Bangladesh crisis? Answer: India helped the liberation of Bangladesh from Pakistan. India helped to resettle Bangladeshi refugees in Bengal, Tripura, Meghalaya, and Assam. In spite of India facing economic crisis, it helped Bangladeshi refugees find new hope of life in India. Okay, so anyone you can write for question number 19. Now question number 20 again has an internal choice. So first, there is a need of disarmament. Illustrate. Answer: arms race is a dangerous phenomenon. Disarmament is the only solution to arms race. Arms race creates insecurity, fear, instability, and threat of war. Resources used to produce arms can be usefully used for development. Then threat of nuclear war. So this is why we need disarmament, because these are the reasons. Now there's one more option here in question 20. So let's see the next question. It's illustrate the relationship between India and USA. The answer: the relationship between India and USA are as follows. India follows non-aligned policy. USA supported many India's 5-year plans. USA extended support during Indo-China War in 1965. India and USA share interest in controlling terrorism. India and USA support each other in trade, science and technology, space science, education. India and USA share mutual responsibility to strengthen UNO, cooperate to support global peace. India adjusts its foreign policy according to the political party in power in USA. Okay, next. Question number 21. What are the major effects of soil erosion? Answer: the important effects of soil erosion are loss of soil fertility and fall in agricultural productivity. It leads to silting and floods, change of the course of rivers, and reduction of capacity of the reservoirs. Groundwater level is lowered and there is decrease in soil moisture. Vegetation covers dries up and drought increase. Economy as a whole suffers a great setback. Okay, so these are the effects of soil erosion. Next question 22. The Himalayas are a boon for India. How? Answer: Himalayas act as a natural frontiers and prevent foreign invasion, prevent cold winds from Central Asia, obstruct rain-bearing winds and cause heavy rainfall. Slopes have thick forests and ideal natural resource. It's a storehouse of minerals, birthplace of many perennial rivers like Ganga and Brahmaputra. It has many waterfalls useful for generation of hydroelectricity. Okay, so these are main points like why Himalayas are a boon for India. Next, question number 23. What are the objectives of government fiscal policy? Answer: the objectives are to achieve economic growth, to maintain economic or price stability, to achieve fair distribution of income. Next, question 24. What were the results of Third Carnatic War? Answer: the Third Carnatic War, which was fought between 1756 to 1763, was a decisive win for the English. It established the English supremacy over the French in Indian subcontinent. At the end, a treaty, that is Treaty of Paris, was signed, which allowed the French to have their factories in India but forbade them from administering them. Chandranagar and Pondicherry were returned to French, but they couldn't have any troops garrisoned. Okay, so these were the results of third Carnatic War. So here we have completed 24 questions from model question paper 2. So this completes our video. It is first half of the question paper. Now second half will be continued in the next video. So stay tuned and watch part 2 of this question paper also. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If you liked it, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel Scorpio Class and Scorpio Class Hindi channel. Thank you.